last Saturday in August, and tomorrow we go to our first Winchester Farmers Market of the year. We're just coming out to a little bit of an orchard walk. As you know, we've had some extremely heavy rain. It's an old country proverb. No one so surely pays his debt as wet to dry as dry to wet. We've had rains, we've had crashing gales, and I just want to show you this. I don't really want to show you, but it's instructional. We thinned the plums here very, very heavily indeed to prevent branches from breaking. I don't know what weight of plums is on this branch. The wood of plums is very brittle. I can't see exactly where that's come from. I think it may have come from higher up. It can't have come from far. Oh yeah, there we are. That's where it's come from. Smashed clean off. And these were thinned. They were thinned quite energetically. It didn't work, obviously. There's a lot of plums down. Oh well, what I'll do later on today with my saw, I'll tidy this. I'll saw that off clean and paint the wound. Well, it's opened the tree up a bit. Anyway, you can see there's a very good crop of plums. These are not ripe yet, and hard though we thinned this plum tree. This is a tree called Warwickshire Drooper, by the way. Another of the jobs you have to do is pick out the ones that are rotten as they go rotten, in order to avoid them from corrupting the others. The leaven of the Pharisees, they must be removed before they corrupt everything else. Anyway, so there you go. Massive plum branch fallen to the ground. However, if we hadn't thinned, it would be very, very much worse. Again, there's so much, with agriculture, all kinds, you're always making judgment calls, and you're aware of the principles, you're aware of the sort of thing that you should be doing, but exactly in what degree to do it, that is the question. Anyhow, that's, I haven't got the energy to calculate, but that's probably about 8-10 kilograms of plums, 30 quid's worth of plums that won't be going to market. Oh well, that's the way it goes.